What is the measurement of a full dropper?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing an important question that often comes up when using droppers. What is the measurement of a full dropper? Droppers are commonly used in various fields, including medicine, essential oils, and cooking. So, let's dive right in and find out the answer.
Understanding droppers.
Before we get into the measurement of a full dropper, let's first understand what a dropper is. A dropper is a small device used to transfer liquids in small quantities. It typically consists of a rubber bulb attached to a glass or plastic tube. The bulb is squeezed to draw liquid into the tube and then released to dispense the liquid.
Variations in dropper sizes.
Droppers come in different sizes, and the measurements can vary depending on the specific dropper you are using. The size of a dropper is usually indicated by the volume it can hold. Common dropper sizes include 1 milliliter, 2 milliliters, 3 milliliters, and so on. These measurements refer to the maximum capacity of the dropper when filled completely.
Determining the measurement.
To determine the measurement of a full dropper, you need to consider the volume indicated on the dropper itself. Most droppers have markings on the tube to indicate different measurements. These markings are typically in milliliters, ml, and sometimes include smaller increments, such as 0.25 milliliters or 0.5 milliliters.
Filling a full dropper.
To fill a dropper completely, you simply squeeze the bulb and submerge the tube into the liquid. As you release the bulb, it will create a vacuum, drawing the liquid into the tube until it reaches the maximum capacity indicated on the dropper. Once the liquid reaches the desired level, you can remove the dropper from the liquid, being careful not to spill any excess.
Importance of precision.
When using a dropper for precise measurements, it's essential to pay attention to the markings on the dropper and ensure accuracy. The precision of your measurement may impact the outcome of your application, especially in areas such as medication dosage or essential oil blending. It's always a good practice to follow the specific instructions provided with the dropper or consult a professional if needed. And there you have it. The measurement of a full dropper depends on the size and markings of the specific dropper you are using. Remember to check the volume indicated on the dropper itself, follow the markings carefully, and be precise in your measurements. I hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any further queries, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.